Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So I have an amplifier here I'm selling. It belongs to a ham customer. Just sold their house. I've done all the modifications to it. It has 10 meters installed. As the grid's grounded. All the other mods you see in my other videos, the self-bias mod, the low inductance mods, the meter protection diode mod, the series glitch resistor, everything. So as a used set of tubes, I'm going to show it in operation on 80 meters. Band switch contacts are good. No damage to the air variables. It's a good amplifier. So see the sides. The side has some scratches. It's pretty clean. Scratches on that side a little bit. They're all pretty much like this. Original fan. Okay, so due to its age, it's sold as is. I have no control over how it's used. If you'd like, you can order a new set of Pentalab tubes and install them. But it's working well with the used tubes. So, like I said, I'm going to show you an output test on 80 meters. I have a 1 kW slug in my bird meter. So we're going to start off at the lower voltage setting. These amplifiers should only do 1200 PEP max. So, you know, on sideband, on CW, the power rating is reduced. So I'm going to show you what it does on CW with 65 watts or so of drive going into it, going in my 50 ohm dummy load, and then I'll unkey it and switch it over to sideband and show it pinning the meter here. So the meter's on PEP. Go ahead and key the radio. Radio is keyed. Hello, hello, hello. Audio, hello, hello. There you can see the meter. Hello, hello, hello. Audio, hello, audio, hello, 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 hello. Okay. Audio, hello. Audio, hello. It's on high voltage, put it on RF. Audio, 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 grade current, audio, audio. Okay, high voltage. Okay, so now I will go to the higher voltage setting. Audio, pinning the meter. Hello, 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 hello. Audio. So it's doing over the 1200. Okay, so back on the lower voltage setting. Hello, 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 hello. Audio, hello. And that's about it right there. Hello, hello. Okay, so I will unkey the radio and show the band. 80 meters. Okay, so that's about it. The price is $2,000 on this, and you pay for the packing and shipping direct to FedEx office. They do what's called a fragile pack on the amp, and they will fragile pack the tube separately, 2 separate boxes, or you can pick it up in person, up to you. So feel free to give me a call, 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. Take care.